Pakita ka rin ng konting acrobatic shots. Saan yun nanggagaling and what more can we see from you?
Birthday kasi nung asawa ko bukas. Siya yung happy birthday sa'yo, love you. And siguro yung family ko.
Well, my primary concern at the beginning was how sharp are the guys going to be coming off almost a 3-week break. This is our first game in the new year. Medyo concerned ako kung paano nila lalaroin yung first game namin. We've had good practices but iba pa rin pag makita mo dun sa laro. No? So, we had a good first quarter actually. No? Maganda yung start namin. But we had a really bad second quarter. That's when we lost the 23-point lead. But what's good about it is it's a game of runs. And we were able to get enough runs for ourselves to win the game. The last time na nakalaban namin tong Blackwater, tinambakan nila kami. So that was additional motivation for us in our preparation for this game. Alam namin may capacity sila to play really well. We're also trying to ride on our winning run. Sa amin ang importante makarating ng next round. Ang tingin namin 7 wins will assure you of a slot in the playoffs in the next round. So we have 5 wins now. We're just looking to play and win another one. Get as close to 7 as we can, as early as we can. So yun lang ang iniisip namin.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Adrian, na-mention na nga ni Coach Yeng, naka 5-game winning streak na kayo with this win today. Ano ba para sa'yo ang pinaka-nakakatulong in terms of being able to continue this streak?
Sa akin yung tingin ko nakakatulong is yung transition. So yun yung unang pundasyon namin, yung transition. So doon kami nakakuha ng mga easy basket.
Oo. Tapos Adrian, we also saw your capacity on offense in every game. Pero today, nagpakita ka rin ng konting acrobatic shots. Saan yun nanggagaling and what more can we see from you?
Birthday kasi nung asawa ko bukas. Siya yung happy birthday sa'yo, love you. And siguro yung family ko.
Na-mention mo yung last game yun. Si George King din kasi gumawa ng 64, no? So was that also...
Yeah, pinag-uusapan namin yun doon sa game preparation namin. And we also watched the tape nung tinalo niya kami. Kahit anong klaseng depensa gawin namin, talaga pumapasok yung tira niya. But of course, you only have to try harder. Ganun lang naman talaga. Yun nga, si Adrian nag-acrobatic pa sa mga ano niya. Basta birthday pala ng asawa nito, nag-acrobatic. But yun, even if we were playing well that time, nung tinalo nila kami, maganda na nilalaro namin nun, pero tinalo pa rin nila kami ng ganong kalaki. So, parang pareho yung sitwasyon namin today. We were playing well, we had a 4-game winning streak before this game. Ang hirap maulit nung gagawin ulit nila na gano'n. So, nasa isip namin yun habang naglalaro kami na sana ma-prevent namin na ulitin nila sa amin yung gano'n.